Hi everyone! Today I want to show you a super simple and delicious garlic shrimp with asparagus and the mushrooms. This dish is lightly seasoned, so you can really taste the natural flavors of the ingredients. It's also high in protein and fiber. A simple and healthy meal you can feel good about. We're using about 300 grams, around 10 ounces of shrimp, before peeling. Start by peeling the shrimp, then season with black pepper and cooking wine. I actually ran out of cooking wine today, so I'm using a splash of Taiwanese Kaoliang Liquor Works just as well. While the shrimp is marinating, cut the asparagus into bite-sized pieces. Slice the mushrooms. And cut the garlic into thin slices. Next, quickly blanch the asparagus and mushrooms. Add a little salt and oil to the water. This helps reduce bitterness and keeps the vegetables bright and vibrant. Now for the shrimp. Pan fry them for about 2 minutes on each side. Once they turn that beautiful orange color, take them out. In the same pan, add a little oil. Throw in the garlic and cook until fragrant. Then add the asparagus and mushrooms. Season with a small pinch of salt and about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Finally, return the shrimp to the pan. Give everything a quick toss for 1 to 2 minutes. Plate it up. Mix all those flavors together. And look at that glossy, fresh finish. Now it's time to enjoy your own cooking. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and let's make delicious food simple.